Why, hello there, my good fellow American or Hindu. I sell these things overseas too, so I gotta remember that. If you are one of three things, lazy, fat, and flabby, then you've come to the right place, my brother. I cannot legally disclose my face or my real name because it might bring on some federal charges. So you can just call me Mr. A, because I'm an A+ exercise instructor. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. With this tape, I hope to take that flab of yours and turn it into muscle, because there is muscle under there, you flabby piece of crap. With this first tape, I hope to accomplish getting the majority of your fat, all the bad fat. You know, there's two kinds of fat. There's a good fat, bad fat, trans fat, saturated fat. Today we're going to focus on those first two, the good and the bad. We're going to get rid of that bad for you right away. And it's not much. It takes you getting up and going to the bathroom, which I'm sure you do a lot, you fat bar. In fact, the exercise place is not even that far from you. It's packed. It's your very own shower. All right, so let's get started here. So let's say you know, your mom, you finally had enough of your mom telling you to take a shower because it's been like 6 months and you take it semi-annually because you can't get a girlfriend or something. So you're in here. You're gonna turn on the shower here. So you're in the shower, right? Okay. So you're washing up. You're washing up here, and so you're just like, oh man, I'm so freaking fat. I wish I wasn't so fat. Well, good news for you. There's some exercises that you can do right in your shower. So here you go. Here's one. I like to call this one Buddha because you're fat, and so is Buddha. Even though I'm pretty sure he's like starved to death or something. I don't know. So all you gotta do is you gotta take your hands like this. Take your hands like this, and you can do like a little Hindu dance like this. And I swear to God, do that for like an hour, and you'll thank me. I mean, you might be constipated for like the next week or two, but eventually the fat will disappear, folks. The results will show themselves. Take it from me, Mr. A, that I know what I'm doing because I don't. Get that already. Some people are afraid to dance in the shower because, let me tell you folks, people think I'm dancing in the shower, it's wet and slippery on the bottom, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna die. No, you're not. No, just calm down. You're gonna just do like that Michael Jordan guy, right? The moonwalk. Just do that, you know? Ooh, man, I can feel it hot.
Please stop screaming. It's giving me a headache.
I just want people to be healthy, McKennedy. I want them to see the benefits of exercise. And I can't even do it, McKennedy. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah! McKennedy, sometimes I wet my bed. And I wake up and my entire mattress is yellow, McKennedy. That's not healthy for a man of my age. It's not healthy.
That's alright, Mr. A. I know how to cheer you up. With a song.
Really?